Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with another new video in which I will tell you about how you can turn your phone to mute by flipping it. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. In this video I will explain if you want to mute your phone, just flip it upside down so it can be muted. But follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can turn this setting flip to mute in your device.